Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday on Thursday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line up there. Yes, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant right now given where the price is currently at. So I'm just going to get it out of the way because from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So 0.039 is now going to be considered that level of resistance, and it's actually already played out a couple of times. Price broke below it earlier on in the day, and then there was an attempted break back up above it right there, but it failed. And then once again, during the final 30 minutes of today, failed. So I'm not saying the price can't get up above it or anything like that. I'm just saying that it makes sense why that 0.039 mark is now starting to act as resistance. So that'll be the initial level. If the price can push through there, then the next level of resistance after that would be that purple line up there, the 50 period simple moving average. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, just to add a little more context, scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So the next overall level, which I think is right where the price bounced today, but I guess we'll see how good my eyes are here. But right here at 0.034, which if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that the last time the price didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree got well within the range of it, produced some nice bounces here. So once again, the price is bouncing. So moral of the story that I'm trying to get across here is that 0.034, definitely a very important technical level that you want to see the price hold above next week. So all in all, yeah, rough latter half to the week. We'll see if the bulls can recover and turn things around. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.